This building here has got its fair share of criminals. Like any other marketplace, there are few mad cases in here. And we will unearth them.
Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri yekirirwo ruoro rwa ungumania tene mwaka thutha wa uriogi rwimbo arirwo turia nime aria meyejeire mirigo na makihana ta makinyire.
That you are an unsung
Kifarua gia kwamurania ngano na thawani riu gitigeirwo Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri Mutahi Kagwe uria wiranire gutigirira ati turia nime aya ni mahuka no akiheana ndumiriri egie murimu wa coronavirus kaunti-ini ya Kirisho. Kagwe augite kungethanira na turia nime aya ti wira wa muthenya umwe.
Cartels are not beaten overnight. They fight back. And I am not going to be explaining every day and telling Kenyans, this is exactly how you are fighting a cartel. How do you disclose your strategy to your enemies when you know they are going to come for you?
Kuma uheani wa kadarathi cia Google, wendia wa indo iria cibatie gukorwo ikihuthika gutungatira muingi, Kagwe akiuga guku wabici-ini ino kuri gikundi kia andu aungumania aria mari na mitugo itororoketie.
You have no idea how bad it is. You are just mentioning KEMSA here. And you are mentioning something, Ministry of Health, in passing. My friend, blood from the ministry has been found in Mogadishu. Blood. And here you are taking it lightly, talking about what you have done in 5 months.
Ishaikuhe ruhonge rwa uguri wa indo cia urigitani KEMSA rukoretwo kabiru-ini rugikirirwo nganja iguru rigie kuheana kandarathi cia uguri wa indo cia kugitira marigitari kumana na murimu wa coronavirus aria maheirwo kandarathi ici makioya mweke ucio na kuriana gaciko na macungiririo mohoro kurehe indo itakinyanĩirie ikiro.
We are determined, whether in KEMSA, whether in a ministry, whether in anything connected with the Ministry of Health, we are determined that this be done.
Riu shuma ya turia nime aya eririko akenya makiuria kugia na wetereri.
We are determined to fight, and we will. So if you know any of those cartels, please tell them that their days are numbered.
Maya mokite riri uhuthiri wa kigina gia kuhurana na murimu wa coronavirus wikirirwo nganja kuria mutongoria wa kiama kia NAK Kenya Martha Karua oretie Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri gutariria akenya uria kigina giki gikoretwo gikihuthika.
The CS really must take responsibility, act to redress or take full responsibility for the wrong things that are happening. Let him list down what has been received and how it has been allocated, both PPEs and money, and let him act. He also admits
thirikari ni yamukirire kigina kia mwigana wa shiringi bilioni 70.3 kuma kuri ruhonge rwa IMF cia guteithiriria kuhurana na king'uki giki na kigina kingi gia shiringi bilioni 108 kiria muoroto wakio wari o uyu kuma kuri bengi ya thi besha iria ikoretwo igikirirwo nganja na gucungiriria kamiti ya mwanya ya Senate kuria mutari wa mathabu ma thirikari gwika uthuthuria wa uria kigina giki gikoretwo gikihuthika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV gitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.